I don't know where you're going or when you're coming home. I left the keys under the bed to a front door for one more chance to hold you close. I don't know where you're going. I feel like I'm losing my mind. She crept into your life and cut me up like a knife. Yeah, hey, feel things that I wanna say. Still got my dignity. No one will love you like me. Yeah, but she's prettier than I'll ever be. Got yourself a beauty queen, yeah. But there's one thing I gotta say. She can fuck you good, but I can fuck you better. I can fuck you better. She can fuck you good, but I can fuck you better. I know she's perfect and worth it, oh yeah, she's beautiful. But can she love you and touch you until you go? You keep on trying to hide it, but we both know. She can fuck you good, but I can fuck you better. Tie you up like a bad dog, face me on your teeth when you bite like a bad dog. Oof, like a bad dog, beg me a good dog, or I'ma put you down, bang bang, like a mad dog. I'm breathing on your skin. You feel me closing in. You're just an animal that I caught. You know I'm yours, so rip my clothes off. And it's like and then we just come inside my cage, you bad dog. You're just an animal that I caught. You know I'm yours, so rip my clothes off. And it's like and then we just come inside my cage, you bad dog. I don't know where you're going or when you're coming home. I left the keys under the bed to a front door for one more chance to hold you close. I don't know where you're going. Just get your ass back. She can fuck you good, but I can fuck you better.